Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain iClicker app review to see with what you're using. So to get started, iClicker is a classroom engagement app that lets students answer live polls, quiz, and check in for attendance using their phones or laptop. It's commonly used in college lecturers halls to make classes more interactive and improve participation. The app is easy to set up, work well in real time, and store your section history so you can build questions later. Students students like the convenience of using their own device instead of buying a separate physical clicker, and many professors rely on it for quick feedback during lessons. However, the app does have a few downsides. After a short free trial, it requires a paid subscription, which some students find annoying, especially if they already bought a physical clicker. There are also occasional issues with the app freezing, crashing, or not registering attendance correctly. So if your phone sleeps or you switch off, still the iClicker is what's still using all of it. But if your class require your prefer and the convenience of using your phone, make sure your device is updated and connected during class to avoid technical hiccup. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.